Welcome to Ample Blazer's video tutorial on how to add additional clocks on your Windows 10 operating system. Now, we've done an earlier video about Windows 11. This one is going to show you how to do this on Windows 10, and we're probably going to combine these videos as well for you. So, with Windows 10, all you need to really do is go to the clock and go to date and time settings. And then on the top right hand side you've got add clocks for different time zones. Click that and you can see here the same window we have for Windows 11 comes up, and you've got additional clocks as a tab. You tick the box, you choose the city. Usually the first one is your main clock. Give it a name and then enable the second clock. And also remember that this can be anywhere in the world. I've chosen Adelaide, and once you've done that, click OK, and you can hover across it and you can see that local time, we'll do that again, local time Brisbane is 4:26 and Adelaide time is 3:56. If we click on it, you've got the two times over here as well. So that's how we do it on Windows 10. Adding additional clocks to your Windows 10 system. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Ample Blazer's video tutorial on how to put additional system clocks on your Windows 11 operating system. Now the way to do this is you can go down the bottom here and you go to adjust date and time, and down the bottom you've got additional clocks. Click on that, and then you've got the window for additional clocks popping up, and you check the box here. That's your main clock, so whatever your time is there, give it a name, and then tick the box for the second clock that you want to show. And remember that this is international, so you can choose anywhere in the world. I've chosen Adelaide for the second one, and again give it a name for the second clock and click OK and apply. And then when you are on the clock, if you hover over it, you can see it gives you a little display of Brisbane and Adelaide and local time, and if you click on it, you've got it up here as well, the Brisbane time and the Adelaide time. Thanks for watching.